Hello everyone. Today we're going to learn about the split command. So let me explain what split it means. Split means here if I created a one surface. Okay. So let's assume here is one surface. Okay. And I have to split this surface into two. So here is one surface and I have to split this surface in two parts. So here is one and here is two. So how to split one surface into two, that we're gonna learn in today's video. Okay, so let's start. For this, I have to hide this all the planes. Okay, to split one surface, we have to create or require one surface. So I'm gonna quickly create a one surface with the help of point and line. So I'm choosing here point direction. And direction will be a y. If it's around 100. Mirror extend. Okay, I'm gonna use the extrude command to create a one surface in x direction with 100 100. So I hope you understand how to create a extrude. So if I want to split this surface into two pieces, so I required one split command. Here is one, and right now my cursor is on the split command. So I just open a one new tab here for your better understanding. So the first command is split and the second is trim. So regarding trim, we're gonna learn into our upcoming videos. So right now we focus on the split command. So if I click here, so here you able to see there is one another pop-up is open up. The first one is element to cut. Okay. So which element you have to cut? I have to cut the surface. So I'm gonna click over here. So you are able to see the element to cut is extrude one, which you will able to see in the left corner also. In a tree, the extrude one is getting highlighted. So element to cut is extrude one. So your cutting element. Uh, so cutting element you can right now I'm going to select here the line from which we have created our extrude. So if I going to click here, so you are able to see the one is getting transparent and one is in a darker shade. So it shows the darker shades is going to remain uh, un uncut and the transparent going to cut. So let me show you by clicking OK. So here you are able to see the dark one is remains and the transparent one is getting splitted. So what if I want to change its direction? Then you have to double click on it, and here is a one simple option that other side. So if you click on the other side getting darker shade and the other one is transparent. Okay, I hope you understand this. But sometimes we required the both surface in the split form. So you can, here is another option just below that optional parameter. So there is a keep both sides. If I click here, okay, I just on this keep both sides and now going to click on okay. So you are able to see, so this one surface is split into two. Okay, so if you are able to see in the uh, left tree also, just going to zoom that tree. So you are able to see here is one split one and the second is split two. Okay. This split command is not only for the surface, you can utilize for the curve also. Let me undo all this command once again. So here we just have in our left tree just point, line and extrude. What if I want to split this line into a two? So it's possible. You have to just go again and click on the split. Now I have to select the element which I have to cut. So here is now my element is curve, okay, and the cutting element is point, okay. But what if I don't want to cut at that point? I have to create a new point so which I can move independently. So I can extend my line. Okay, for this I have to create one another point. Just by mistakenly I had the line. I will show you again. Okay, now I have to create one point on curve. So here is one curve and I just on the 30 mm. So I'm going to select the split command. selecting the curve which is element to cut. I have to cut this curve with this point. So if you are able to see, I just selected over here. That's why this is indicating in a darker, and this one is going to cut. I'm just going to cut here. Okay, so you are able to see this line is cut with the help of this point. So if I change this point length from 30 to 50, so you are able to see this line going to get a decrease. Okay, I'm going to update here. You can update by directly Control plus U, or here is another tab bottom side. You can able to see my cursor here. So here you can update this. So able to update, then you can able to see, notice that this line is get reduced by 50 mm. Again, if you are able to change this by 100, I'm going to update again. So it will further cut down. Okay, I hope you understand this split command. You can use for both, for the surfaces also and as well as curve. So please share with your friends so they can learn about this split command, and don't forget to subscribe to channel. Thank you.